Hello guys, this is Gospel Ogiagbe. So today we are going to talk about how you can start your own business and make good amount of money online. So I know some of you are there, like you are thinking on your head, what can I do? But you need to understand that yes, there is a lot of business that you can start going to right now. There's a business that you can start. You can start any business at all, but you need to start a profitable business that can be profitable. But I'm trying to focus on people who don't have any money and they want to start up their own business. So that is what I'm focusing on this video. So let me say, for example, you want to start up a business, but you don't have any money. So you are thinking on your head, what is the type of business that you can start and make money from at the end of the day? So I'm going to a business method today. So the business method is affiliate marketing, affiliate program. So me myself, I'm promoting affiliate product and I'm making money from it. So that is why I'm talking about starting a business which is called affiliate program. So how does this business model work? How it works is that you go and talk about a company, like promote other companies, and in return, you are going to be making money. They are going to compensate you up to 10% to 65% commission. So you see that this is a cool business that you can start right now and make good amount of money from. So let me just give you an idea of what you can do. Let me give you an idea of what you can do. The first thing you have to do when it comes to promoting affiliate product, first thing I usually do, I used to say this all the time, is to start your own website, is to create your own website. If you want to create your own website for 100% free, there's a video that will pop up right now. Watch this video to learn how you can create your website. So once you are done creating your website, so this is your website, you are trying to create your own brand. So I'm trying to make sure that you create your own brand. You create your free website online. Once you are done creating your website, then the next thing you can start blogging about companies, about software, about tools, about house, real estate. You blog about a lot of things. But remember, everything you are trying to do, you are going to structure your blog, structure your image, structure the company that you are trying to promote. See the demand on this product that you are trying to promote. Let me say, for example, you are done creating your website. Then you need to move to the step where you are going to start writing and reviewing other companies. So what are you going to do on this session? This part, you are going to go look for companies that will pay you a tier commission, which is recurring commission every single month, and you will be making passive income every single month too. So you see how it works. So what is a recurring commission software or tools? So a recurring commission software or tools is a software that you can promote, and every single month you are going to be making money. So that is what a recurring commission is. They will be paying you up to 10% to 30% recurring commission every single month for promoting those kind of products. So you see how it works. Is simple, but the most important part, I will come to this part in a few seconds. So when you pick a product that you want to promote, let me tell you the thing that you want to focus on. The first thing you need to focus on is to look and do keyword research about this program. The keyword research is to see the demand on this website that you are trying to promote. Let me say, for example, you are trying to promote a tool like Sofa SEO. It's a tool that allows you to rank your website on top of Google. So you need to go and check on Google, do keyword research to see what people are searching for on this keyword, what people are looking for. So that is what you have to focus on. What are people looking for on this product? That is the first thing. Then the second thing, see the type of people that is interested on this product. What are the type of people that is interested on this tool? So let me say, for example, you are promoting software SEO tools. You are going to focus on the category of people who is writing a blog on Google, who have a blogging website like me. You're going to target people like this, which is talking about affiliate marketing, how they can structure content creating on Google. So those are the people that you need to focus on. Let me say I want to promote a tool like Sofa SEO. I need to focus on Sofa SEO review. I'm going to review this Sofa SEO on my website. And when people search for Sofa SEO review on Google, my article will display. If I optimize my article more than my competitors, my article will display and they will click on it, read through about Sofa SEO, and they might decide, okay, I like the review, the information that this person that I have given on my website, and they will click on my affiliate link. And when they click on it, they buy this Sofa SEO tools, and they stay with this Sofa SEO subscription plan. Every single month, I will be making 30% commission. That is how it works. It's very, very simple. Let us assume now you have your website, you are picking the product, you know the type of people that is in demand of your SEO tools, you have done the keyword research like I told you just now. Then you move to how the most important part is traffic. I usually say the traffic. So how can you drive traffic to your website? Like what I said, when you are doing your keyword research, you need to focus on keywords that have a low competition. When you do a keyword that have a low competition, this is a keyword where you have a chance of ranking. Because if you target a keyword that have a high competition, this means that it will be difficult for you to rank on this keyword, because there's people that have more domain authority than you and that is getting more traffic than you. So it will be difficult for you to rank because other people are already ranking. Let me see, you have 1 million people that is ranking on this keyword so far SEO review. How can you just come out in just today you are expecting to rank on the top? It's going to be difficult. It's going to be a competition for you, and it's going to be difficult. That is why I need to focus on keywords that have a low competition so that you'll be able to rank on top. A low competition means that there's lesser people searching for, not searching, there's lesser people ranking for this particular keyword. Even if there's a lot of people that is searching for this keyword, this is a good thing, but they have to be lesser people ranking for this keyword so that you'll be able to be on top of Google. So that is how you can do your keyword research. I hope you understand that. So once you are done with this, you'll be getting free traffic from Google when people search for that particular keyword. Let them search for software SEO review. Your article will display, they will click on it. So you see now, you did not do any advertisement or Google ad or anything like that. You just did only keyword research, and you are getting free traffic to that your website. And the second way you can drive traffic to that your blog is to go to Quora. Go to Quora, answer questions that are relating to software SEO. Let's say people ask, how can I rank my blog on Google? So you can go to this kind of question that they ask on Quora, answer it with details, information. Then you can give a short description about these SEO tools. Then you will link your blog on that tools, on that your content that you have written, that your answer that you have you have answered on Quora. Then they will click on that your answer from Quora, then it will take them to your main website. Then from that your main website, they will now read the full details about software SEO. Then they will now click through, then they will go and purchase this tool on that your affiliate giving link from software SEO. So you see now how it's working. You are now doing free traffic. I talk about doing keyword research, which is free traffic, going to Quora, which is free traffic. And the third way is your Facebook. You can go and join Facebook group that is talking about how to rank on Google. There's a lot of people searching for this type of turn on Facebook. You know, there's people join group because they are looking for tools that they want to use to rank their website, to rank their blog. So you can go join a bunch of a bunch of groups, Facebook groups that is talking about tools or software SEO or SEO. People, any group that is talking about SEO, which is search engine optimization. So join all those groups. Then you will now start writing article, not kind of article, but you'll be writing a post, talking about SEO, software SEO. Don't enter your link yet, just be talking about it until they will request. They say, okay, I want this tool that you're talking about. Then you can now send them the link of the tool, or you can tell them to inbox you. Then you can send them the tool through their inbox, because sometimes when you send the link on Facebook, they might ban you from groups. There's a lot of groups that ban people because they are trying to send link to exchange link by exchange link on the comment section. They can ban you because some group don't want you to promote your affiliate product on their group. So that is the third way you can promote affiliate program. So I'm going to end this video from here. I hope you get idea and get ways on how you can start up your own business. So that is it, guys. That is it. So I'm going to end this video from here. And if you want me to keep on making more videos like this, you need to let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to learn how you can drive traffic to your product or affiliate programs, you need to watch the video that will pop up right now to learn how you can drive traffic, free traffic, to your affiliate website, or that's your website that you have created. So I hope that you enjoy or you earn anything from this video. I will say thank you and see you on my next video.